Thank you very much, Supun Madawala, for introducing me from Royal College, Kalam. Today, we are going to discuss the O-level paper. O-level paper means O-level maths paper. There are two maths papers in O-level, the first paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 consists of 25 questions, the part A 25 questions and part B 5 questions. In this part A, there are 25 questions, each you can get 2 marks. For the second part means part B, there are 5 questions, each question you can carry 10 marks for that. The total marks for this, the paper 1 is 100 marks and the paper 2 also 100. Therefore, you try to get the maximum mark for the paper 1, that is very important. Then that's the paper 2. You can get less than, but don't think about less than, then try to get the maximum for the paper 1. Okay, then let's turn to the paper. This is the model paper for that 2020 exams. Let's go to the question number 1. What's the question number you have given? The first one is, it has estimated 15 men take 4 days to complete a certain work. How many days will it take 6 men to complete half of the work? How many men will take to complete half of the work? Then here we'll say that. Here it says it has estimated 15 men take 4 days. Then the total work. Total work means 15 men into 4 days. This is the total work. Now we have to find half of the work. How many days it will take 6 men to complete half of the work? Then let's divide this by 2. You can get half. Then there are 6 men. Let's multiply this by 6. Now let's simplify this. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 1, 2 times 3, 3 times 1, 3 times 5. Then it will take 5 days. It will take 5 days. Okay, then let's go to the next question. Second question. A bus travels 750 meters in 1 minute when speed is constant. Find the speed of the bus in kilometers per hour. Now we have to find the speed of the bus in kilometers per hour. Travel 750 meters in 1 minute. 750 in 1 minute. We have to find the distance travel in 1 hour. Then 60 minutes means 1 hour. Let's multiply this by 60. Then here you have given the distance travel in meters in 1 hour. Then let's try to find this in kilometers. Then we can divide this by 1000. 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 times 2, 5 times 15. Then 2 times 1, 2 times 3. Then here it is 15 into 3, 15 into 3, 15 into 3 means 45 kilometers per hour. 45 kilometers per hour. What's the speed of the bus? That is 45 kilometers per hour. That's the second question. Then let's move to the third question. Third question. Here you have given a triangle. Find the values of x and y using the data given in the diagram. First, let's look at the diagram here. A, B, C, you have given the 3 angles, 2x, 4x, and here it is 3x, and here you have given angle ACD is y. What we have to find? X and y. We have to find x and y. If we take a triangle, the sum of the interior. The sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. Then we can write here it is a 2x plus 3x. Then 2x plus 3x plus 4x. This equal 180 degrees. If we add these 3, 3, 2, 5, 4, 9, 9x. 9x is equal 180. Then x is equal 180 divided by 9. 180 divided by 9 is 20. X is 20. But here they ask the question x. Therefore, we can write x is 20. Then the next one, the y. Y is here. See this? The line BCD is a straight line. Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Then we can write here it is you can write y plus 4x. Y plus 4x is equal 180. We found that x is equal 20. Therefore, y plus 4 into 20 is equal 180. Then y plus 80, here it is 180, this equal 180, therefore y is equal 180 minus 80, it is 100 degrees, it is 100 degrees, y is 100 degrees. That's the way. The important thing is here it is, you can take the sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degrees and the other one is the sum of the angles on a straight line is 180. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number, next one. Question number 4. Factorize 4x squared minus 8x minus 5. First, I will multiply this 4 and 5. 4 into minus 5. 4 into minus 5 is minus 20. Minus 20. It is minus 20. Then, let's factorize this to get minus 8. Then here we can write 4x squared. 4x squared. Then 4 into 5, 20. We can factorize this 20 as minus 10 into plus 2. Minus 10 into plus 2. Minus 10 into plus 2 is minus 20. Minus 10 plus 2 is minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8. Then 4x squared minus 10x plus 2x minus 5. Then here you can find the common factors. X is common, then 2 is common. 2x is common here, 2x. Then if you take 2x here, then 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5. And the next one, 2x minus 5. Let's take the plus 1 out. Then here also 2x minus 5. Then common factor is 2x minus 5. Again you can write 2x minus 5 and 2x plus 1. These are the factors. Okay, these are the factors of 4x squared minus 8x minus 5. Okay, then let's move to the next question. If log 50 is equal 1.6990, find the value of log 5. Here you can write, I will write here log 50 means log, you can write this 10 into, then if you write 10 into 5, 10 into 5 is 50. Log 10 into 5, 50 is equal 1.6990. Again, we can write log 10 plus log 5, this equal 1.6990. Log 10, that is 1. 1 plus log 5, this equal 1.6990. Therefore, log 5 is equal 1.6990 minus 1, it is a 0.6990. That is the answer. Okay, then let's go to next question. Question number 6. Find the value of x and y using data given in the diagram. You have to find the value of x and y. X and y. Here let's take this. Here you have given 3 angle. One is x, 120, 120. These are the exterior angle. The exterior angle of a polygon add up to 360 degrees. Therefore, we can write here the angle x plus 120 plus, if you need you can write degrees here, plus 130. This is equal to 360. I will write degrees here. Then x plus 120 plus 130, 250. 250, this is equal 360 degrees. Then x is equal 360 minus 250, it is 110 degrees. 110 degrees, so 110 degrees. Then the next one, what we have to find the angle y here. See this here y? These two are on a straight line. Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Angle on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Then we can write here y plus 130. We can write here y plus 130. Y plus 130 is equal 180 degrees. Therefore, y is equal 180 minus 130. 130, it is 50 degrees. Now, you can see what is the method. First, I use the theorem. What's the theorem? First one, I use that exterior angle of a polygon. Add up to 360 degrees. And the next one, I use here the sum of the angle on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Okay, then let's move to the next question. Yeah, it is a set one. Shade the region in the Venn diagram. A complement intersection B union C. A complement intersection B union C. That's the question. A complement. A complement means without A. Now you can't use this A. A complement intersection B union C. B union C means these two. Then the common region means this part. Now we have to say the region. Here is the common region for this. That's the question number 7. Let's move to question number 8. Simplify 4x squared divided by 15y. Here it is divide by 2x over 9y. Then here you can write 4x squared over 15y multiply by 9y over 2x. Division means multiply by the reciprocal. Therefore, I change this. The reciprocal of 2x over 9y means 9y over 2x. Then let's go to this again. We can do that. 2 times 1, 2 times 2. Then again you can cancel this. Here it is x, here it is x squared. We can write here it is x. We can cancel y to y. 3 times 3, 3 times 5. Then 2 into 3, 6, 6x over 5, 6x over 5. That is the answer for question number 8. Question number 8. Then, let's move to question number 9. Next question. Question number 9. Question number 9. ABC is an equilateral triangle. If BC is equal CD, find the value of BAD. Find the value of BAD. ABC is an equilateral triangle, and here it says, again it says AC is equal DC. AC is equal DC. What we have to find the value of BAD? If you take an equilateral triangle, all three angles are equal. All three angles are equal. Then the sum of all three angles is 180, therefore one is 60 degrees. Then according to that, if it is that ABC triangle ABC, angle ACB. ACB is equal 60. Angle ACB is equal, angle ACB is equal 60. ACB is equal 60. Angle ACB means this here. ACB, this part is 60. Then you can find the angle ACD. Therefore, I will write angle ACD. Angle ACD. ACD, this equal, angle ACD is equal 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60 means 120 degrees. 120 degrees. 120 degrees means the angle ACD here. 120. Now, here you have given AC is equal to DC. Here you have given, BC is equal to CD. Now here, if it is ABC is an equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal, therefore we can say AC is equal CD. AC is equal CD. Then in this diagram also, these two sides also equal. That means AC is equal to DC. Then here it is 120 degrees. Then ACD is an isosceles triangle. ACD is an isosceles triangle. Then when we find in that the question is BAD, you have to find the angle BAD. BAD means this part. Then we can find the angle DAC. Therefore, DAC, this equal, this part is 120, then 180 minus 120, then this divide by 2. 180 minus 120 is 60, 60 divided by 2 is 30, 30 degrees. 30 degrees means DAC is equal 30. DAC 30, already we know that what the angle BAC is 60. Then angle BAD is equal, therefore angle BAD is equal 60 plus 30, 60 plus 30 means it is 90. You can write here as 90 degrees. That's the answer for the question number 9. Okay, then let's move to the next question. Yeah. The diagram shows a sector of a circle of radius 7 centimeters and a right angle triangle Find the area of composite figure. Area of composite figure means here you have to find the area of this triangle and the sector. Area of the triangle and the sector. Here, first I will find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle means you can write here half into base into height. Half into base. Here it is base is 7 and height is 7. Half into 7 into 7. That's the area of the triangle. This plus area of the sector. The angle between two radii is 90 degrees. Therefore, you can write 1/4. 1/4 pi r square. 1/4 pi r square. Then, I will simplify this part. 7 into 7 is 49 over 2. Here it is 49 over 2. This plus 1/4 pi means 22 over 7 into r is 7. 7 into 7. Here also I can simplify this. 7 to 7, 2 times 2, 2 times 11. Then this means 11 into 7 is 77. 77 over 2. Here it is 49 over 2. In this question, denominators are the same. Therefore, we can add the numerators. Then let's add these two. 9 plus 7 is 16. 1 remains. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 126 over 2. That means 63. 63 units are centimeter square. When you're doing this type of question, if you like, you can do this separately. First, you can find the area of the triangle and then you can find the area of the sector. Thereafter, you can add. But if you like, you can do this here because the paper 1 is 2 hours. The time is very important for that. Okay, then let's go to the next question. Yeah, matrices. Matrices. There are two matrices. You have to multiply these two. Then you have to find x and y. Then here it is x. You can get by multiplying this first row into first column. Then first row is 2, 1. 1, 2 is the second column. Then 2 into 1, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. That is x. 2 into 1, 2. 1 into 2 is 2. X. Then x is equal to what? X is equal to 4. That's the way you have to find x. Then the next one, you have to find y. Y means second row into first column. Here it is second row. 0 into x. 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 plus minus 2 into I will write this part in bracket, minus 2 into 2. That is y. Here it is 0 into 1 is 0, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. This equal y. Therefore, y is equal minus 4. That's the answer for question number 11. X is equal 4 and y is equal minus 4. Then let's turn to next question. He also don't have the question. The points A, B, C and D are on the circle with center O. If the angle ADC is 40 degrees, angle ADC is 40 degrees. ADC means this part is 40 degrees. What we have to find the angle AOC. AOC here. ADC 40 degrees. First one is AOC. Here is the ADC is the angle at the circumference. AOC is the angle at the center. That angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Therefore, you can write angle AOC, this equal 2 times the angle ADC. 2 times the ADC means 40 into 2, 40 into 2 is 80 degrees. Then here, we found that the angle AOC is equal to 40 degrees. Then the next one we have to find ABC. If it is AOC is equal 80, we can find AOC reflex. Then I will write AOC, angle AOC reflex. AOC reflex. AOC reflex means this part. Whole thing is 360. 360. This minus 80. It is a 280 degrees. AOC reflex. AOC reflex means this part. Then here is the angle at the circumference. This is the angle at the center. Therefore, ABC is equal half of AOC reflex. Half of AOC reflex. Therefore, we can write ABC, angle ABC is equal 280 divided by 2. It is a 140 degrees, 140 degrees. That's the answer for question number 12. That's the answer for question number 12. Okay, then let's turn to next question. Question number 30. A simple equation. We have to find the value of x. Solve means how to find the value of x. 5 plus 4 over x. 5 plus 4 over x. This equal 1. I will subtract 5 from both ends. Then if you subtract 5 from my left hand side, that is 4 over x, this equal 1 over 5. 1 over 5 is minus 4, that is 4 over x. Then minus 4 means minus 4 over 1, cross multiplication. Minus 4 into x is minus 4x. Minus 4x is equal 4. Let's divide both sides by minus 4. Then if you divide left hand side by minus 4, x will remain here. Here it is 4 divided by minus 4. Then the answer is minus 1. That's the answer for question number 13. X is equal minus 1. Okay. Then let's go to the question number 14. Third quartile of a number sequence is the 21st place. How many data are there in this sequence? How many data are there in this sequence? Third quartile of a number sequence is the 21st place. How many data are there in this sequence? If there are n data, you can write the third quartile. Third quartile means 3/4 n plus 1. N plus 1. That's the position. This equal to what? What we have given that 21st place. 21st place. This equal to 21. Third quartile. I will multiply both sides by 3. Both sides by 4. Then 21 into 4. Then here you can cancel this 4. Then I will divide this side by 3. Then 3/4 has gone to your right hand side. Then n plus 1 will remain here. The left hand side is n plus 1. Then here you can remember. Simplify this. 3 times 1, 3 times 7. 7 into 4 is 28. That is n plus 1. N plus 1 is 28. Therefore, n is equal 28 minus 1. It is 27. There are 27. Yeah. How many data? There are 27 data in this number sequence. Now, let's go to the question number 15. Question number 15, A, B, C and D are 4 points on the circle. Find the value of x using data given in the diagram. Find the value of x using the data given in the diagram. Now look at this diagram. A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is cyclic. The opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees, or you can say supplementary. Opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Then using that, if you have this ABC and ADC is equal 180. Therefore, you can write ADC, angle ADC, this equal 180 minus 70, 180 minus 70 is 110. 110. Then here it is ADC 110. ADC 110. But ADC is an isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. AD and DC are equal. Therefore, angle X means DAC is equal to DCB. Then we can write X is equal. Therefore, X is equal 180 minus 110. This divided by 2. 180. Here it is. If it is isosceles, the sum of these three angles is 180. We found that ADC is 110. Then these two are equal. Then 180 minus 110 divided by 2. 180 minus 110 is 70. 70 divided by 2. 70 divided by 2 is 35 degrees. It is 35 degrees. Okay. That's the question number 15. Then let's move to next one. Here, write the negative integers satisfy the inequality. Negative integers satisfy the inequality. What's the inequality we have given? 1 minus 2x. 1 minus 2x less or equal to 7. Less or equal to 7. 1 minus 2x less or equal to 7. I will subtract 1 from both them. Here it will remain 2x less or equal to 7 minus 1. It is 6 minus 2x. Minus 2x less or equal to 6. Then I will divide both sides by minus 2. Then minus 2x, this divide by minus 2. Here I will divide 6 by minus 2. But there is a rule here. If we divide by a minus number, the sign change. Then here you can write this is greater or equal to 6 over minus 2. We can cancel these two. Here x will remain greater or equal to 6 divided by minus 2 is minus 3. Write the negative integers. Negative integers. X is greater or equal to minus 3. You can take minus 3, then minus 2 and minus 1. These are the negative integers. These are the negative integers. Okay. Then the next question. Let's move to next question. 70. An item worth 1,200 rupees 1,200 charge custom duty when charge 15% custom duty when imports. Find the value of the item after paying custom duty. The value of the item is 1,200 rupees. 1,200 this into 15% custom duty charge. If it is 100 rupees, we have to pay 150. That's the value after paying the custom duty. Then let's simplify this. 2 zeros, 12 into 150, 12 into 560, 12 into 1, 12 plus 6 is 18, 12 plus 1 is 30, 1,380 rupees. That's the value after paying tax. That is what tax in custom duty. Okay, then let's move to next question, 17, that is 18. Yeah, 18. The points A, B and C are on the circle of center O. Find the value of x using given data. A, B, C are on the circle. O is the center. Now we have to find the value of x. Here you can see this ABC is the angle at circumference. Let's find the angle at the center. Angle at the center is AOC. AOC replaced. Then I can write the angle AOC. AOC reflection. Write in bracket reflection. This equal. Then here it is. If it is 120, then this one is it is double of that. You have to double that. 120 into 2. 120 into 2, it is 240 degrees. It is 240 degrees. The reflex one is 240 degrees. Then if you take the point O, if you take this point O, angle at the center. Angle at the center is 360 degrees. Therefore, x is equal 360 minus 240. Therefore, you can write x is equal 360 minus 240, it is 120 degrees. X is 120 degrees. The important things here, if we take the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference, then the next one, angle at the point is 360 degrees. You can use those two. Let's go to question number 19. The volume of a cylinder of base radius r and height 15 centimeters is 990 centimeters square. Find the radius of the base. Here there is a mistake in this question. The mistake is volume. It should be curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder means 2 pi r h. This equal 990 centimeters square. 990 centimeters square. Then I will substitute the value for this. 2 into pi means 22 over 7 into r. We have to find r into h is 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters, this equal 990. Now, I will multiply 990 by 7. Here, the denominator 7. You can multiply both sides by the 7. Then, I will divide here 2 into 22 into 15. That is r. That is r. Then I will divide this by 11 times 2, 11 times 90. Then 2 times 45. 2 times 45. Then I will write the remaining parts again. 45 into 7. This divide by 2 into 15. 15 times 1, 15 times 3. Then 3 into 7 is 21. 21 divided by 2. It is 10.5 centimeters. That's the radius of the cylinder. That's the radius of the cylinder. Okay. Then let's turn to next question. Question number 20. The intercept of the straight line passes through the point 0, 2 and 4, 6 is 2. Intercept. Intercept means where it cut the y-axis. Find the gradient of the straight line and write the equation of the straight line. If you take the straight line of a, that means equation of a straight line is y is equal mx plus c. Mx plus c. M is the gradient, c is the intercept. Here you have given the intercept of the straight line passes through the point 0, 2 and 4. Yeah, it is 2. Then here we can write mx plus 2. That is 1. Then the next question is to find m. We can write the gradient is equal, m is equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. That's the gradient. Then y2. Let's take y2 is 6. y2 is 6. y1 is 2. This divide by x2. x2 4. 4 minus 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Then here it is gradient is 1. Then the equation of the straight line is y is equal 4x. 4x, sorry, mx. M is 1x. 1x you can, yeah, if you write 1x, no problem, that is 2. But we'll write in this y is equal x plus 2. Both answers are correct here. You can write if you need y is equal 1x plus 2. 1x means x. 1x means x. Then let's turn to the question number 21. 21. The points PQ and R are on the circle. PT is a tangent to the circle. It touches the circle at P. Find the value of x using the data given in the diagram. You have to find the value of x here. Here it is x. Here you can see that angle PSR is 90. Therefore, PSQ also 90. The reason is the sum of the angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. Here see this TP is a tangent. TP is a tangent. Angle between tangent and the chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. Angle in the alternate segment. Therefore, we can write angle PQR. Angle PQR is equal 65 degrees. Angle PQR This equal, here it is 65 degrees. 65 degrees. The reason is angle between tangent and the chord is equal to the angles in the alternate segment. That's the reason. Now here, let's take the triangle PQS. If we take the triangle PQS, we can write here. Here it is x plus 65 plus, here it is 90. The sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, we can write x plus, here it is x plus 65 plus 90. This equal 180 degrees. The sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. Then x plus 65 plus 90, 155, 155. This equal 180 degrees. Therefore, x is equal, I will write x degrees, 180 minus 155. It is a 25 degrees. That's the question number 21. Question number 21. Okay, then let's go to the next question. Question number 22. Let's go to the question number 22. It is a set one. Yes. Write the set A complement intersection B complement with its element. A complement intersection B complement. A complement means without A. A complement means without A. I will write the set A complement. A complement, that means without A. Without A. A is over here, that is 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. This is A complement. Then the next one is B complement. B complement means without B. B complement means without B. B means 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 6. B complement means 1, 5, 6. B complement means 1, 5, 6. Without B. Without B, here it is 1, 5, 6. A complement and B complement. Then the question is A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement means common elements to both sets. What are the common elements? We can see 5 and 6. Then we can write A complement intersection B complement. That means common elements here 5 and 6. That's it. That's the question number 22. Then let's turn to the question number 23. If the curved surface area of the given cone is 330 centimeters squared, find the radius of the base. If the curved surface area of the given cone is 330 centimeters squared, curved surface, this part. The curved surface area of cone is pi r a. Pi r a. This equal 330 centimeters squared. 330 centimeters squared. Pi means 22 over 7. Okay, base radius. Base radius means that is r. This into r into L. L, slant height. L means slant height. It is 15 centimeters. This into 15 is equal 330 centimeters square. Therefore, r is equal 330. This into 7. This into 7 divide by 22 into 15. Yeah. Let's divide this by. Then 15 times 1, 15 times 2, 30. 3 remain 30, again 20. 22 to 22, then r is 7 centimeters. Give unit for the final answer. It is very important in this exam. Okay, then the next one, 24. Yeah. If x minus 1 over x is equal 5, find the value of x squared plus 1 over x squared. Here it is, to find the value of x squared plus 1 over x squared. Then I will take the question here, x minus 1 over x. I will square this part. This equal 5 squared. I squared the both sides. If you square one side, you have to square the other side also. If you square here, you will get x squared minus 2 into x into 1 over x, then plus 1 over x squared. 1 over x squared, that means whole thing is squared. Whole thing is squared means 1 squared is 1 over x squared. The last part is that here 1 over x whole thing squared means 1 squared 1 x squared, that is x into x, it is x squared. This equal 5 squared means 25. You can cancel this to this. Then x squared minus 2 plus 1 over x squared, this equal 25. Then I will take minus 2 to my right hand side, that is 25 plus 2. Then here on left hand side will remain x squared plus 1 over x squared. Then this equal 25 plus 2 is 27. Then the answer is 27. That's the value of x squared plus 1 over x squared. Then let's go to the last question of part A. That is 25th one. Here. In the triangle PQR, PR is less than PQ. That means this length PR is less than the length PQ. Then the point T should find on PQ. The point T should be on that PQ as PR is equal PT. PR should equal to PT. Draw a sketch of your construction to find the point T and mark the point T. Now we have to find the point T on where you have to mark the point T on PQ. Okay, then PT should equal to PR. The method is this. Take your pair of compasses. Keep your compass tip at P and the pencil tip at R. Then draw a circle here in this way. Okay, you get marks for this diagram also. Here is the point T. That's the construction. Okay. Here, if we use the compass, yeah, that's better if you use the compass. But otherwise, if you draw in this way, but the arc is very important. This is very important. Okay. That's the answer for the question number 25. Now, better you revise these answers again and again. When you're doing that math, it is not like reading book. Do it on a paper. You can do it on paper or you can use a board. You can use a whiteboard or something and do the question like that. The studying, that means studying mathematics is not reading. You have to do that. Always it is practice. Okay, try to get the maximum marks for this 25. For this, if you did this 25 question, the total marks for this 25 is 50. Okay, then let's meet again with another video for a part 2 of the paper.